Today we're making tree embeds, and these are little embeds that I'm going to use on my cold process soap, and I'm using Windsong and Balsam Fir essential oils. So this is Diane from Vermont Lavender. Welcome to my channel. I'll show you the mold that I used. This right here, and you can purchase this anywheres. I think I purchased this from Amazon. It's a Wilton Daisy mold. These are the little embeds that I made, and what I did is I poured them. So I poured the green and then I poured a little bit of white on top. So it's really nice and simple, and let me show you how I cut these to get these designs. So I'm using the crinkle cutter, and I'm just cutting this in half, and then I'm cutting it again. So see, I have the little design right here. So now what I'm doing is just prepping my embeds. You have to imagine that this will sit in the soap. So like right here, it'll be sitting in the soap because you need something to anchor it on top. And so that's the little top right there. And so it's going to be very pretty. It should be an interesting soap design. And I'm not cleaning the blade because it's like a wintry, somewhat of a wintry theme. So it's a little bit messy, that's okay. We're not going for perfection with this. Sometimes it's nice to have it very natural. This is what it looks like. And these are quick little embeds that I'm going to be putting on top of my soap. And this is the mold that I'm going to be using. What I'll do is I'll pour it in there, and you'll see that in another video. If you like what you saw here, please give it a thumbs up. Have a great day.